Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this beautiful eco-friendly clay Ganesha with very easy steps. Isn't it looking very attractive? And you can just stand it like this. So without any delay, let's get started. For this we need some paints. You can use acrylic colors, poster color, chalk paints, anything. And this is a metallic wax antique gold to highlight. Paintbrush, ball tool, some ball chains, stones, and this Clay Ganesha Kit from Little Birdie. So first I am taking this Clay Ganesha mold and make natural clay kit, which is from Little Birdie brand. This is from Itsy Bitsy. This is an eco-friendly Ganesha and this is having premium refined natural clay. So this is very beautiful kit and you will receive a template with detailed instructions and this beautiful Ganesha plastic mold. This is a reusable. You can use this as many times as you want. You will get this cotton fiber and the terracotta clay. So first I am just taking off my terracotta clay from this airtight packaging. Also taking this natural cotton fiber. Now take little quantity of clay and you need to merge this cotton in this clay to make it more sturdy and more reliable. So just take little quantity of cotton and mix it very well with the small piece of clay. In this way, complete mix this cotton with whole clay. So I have prepared my clay. Now I am taking my plastic mold and I will apply little oil inside the mold. So here I am just greasing my base so that we can easily remove the Ganesha after finishing. You can use any kind of oil. Here I am using food oil. You can use coconut oil or vegetable oil, anything. So just grease it completely using any paintbrush. Now I will start filling this mold using clay. I have just applied little oil on my hands as well. Take little quantity of clay and start filling your mold from top to bottom. take mold on your hand or palm and then push it. Don't fill this clay while your mold on the base, otherwise it can damage your mold. So you just need to push the clay from top so that all the parts will get clay and the beautiful intricate design will be appeared on our clay. You can also use little water if required, just to smoothen each part. So just complete this whole process. So I have covered whole mold with the clay. You can just check that each and every part get covered with the clay. And now I will allow it to set for some time. Then I will just slowly remove my mold and I will check that each part is becoming very nicely, and then you can just smooth it if you want to using water. I have just stand it on the flat surface and allow it to dry for 2 days because it's rainy here and we need to dry it completely. So it's completely dried now, and now I'm taking little orange, red and brown color. This is acrylic color, and mixing it very well to create a geru kind of shade. The shine on my Ganesha is still looking because of the oil we have applied before. So it will get out when we will apply our color. Now start adding this color and cover the whole Ganesha. So it's done. I have kept this crown portion as it is because I will color with yellow shade. Now I'm taking little blue chalk paint and I will color the dhoti part with this. Like this. Now I'm taking little yellow color and I will color the crown. Since this is very light shade, so you need to apply it for 2-3 times, and you can also use little gesso before applying light shades. Gesso will give you as a primer base so that you can use any shade which you want, and just one coat is sufficient if you added gesso in the base. If you don't have gesso, you can also use white acrylic color before adding light shades. Also, I am coloring the dupatta. Now I will start adding yellow and pink color to decorate. So this is done. Now it's dried, and here I am taking this metallic wax, antique gold. This is also from Itsy Bitsy. Now take this wax little on your finger and just rub it over your design. So all the textures will come out very nicely, and it will also give your project very nice antique metallic look. If you don't have this kind of wax, you can also use any metallic paint, but you need to dry brush it. In the same way, I will give the texture on whole Ganesha. Allow it to set for some time. Now it's time to add the jewelry. For the jewelry part, I am taking some pieces of ball chains and stone chains, and I am just decorating the crown, necklace, bracelets with these ball chains. So this is done and it's completely ready. Isn't it a great idea? And I have given all the links. If you want to buy this kit in description box, you can check there. And in this coming festival, you can create your own eco-friendly Ganesha. So my project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.